Hi everyone, my name is Marianne. I want to do a little introduction or a brief lecture on hyaluronic acid serum. Okay, why do you need hyaluronic acid? For starters, hyaluronic acid I will call it a water magnet. You know the way magnets attract iron. That is the same way hyaluronic acid attracts water. Now, imagine a baby's skin, how beautiful and how supple it is. The secret behind it is not oil, it's water. Research has shown that babies have 80%, their bodies is mostly made of 80% water, and as we get older we lose this water. So what can we do to retain this water to our skin, to make our skin supple and hydrate? Because the glow you're looking for, everybody comes to me to me, "Man, I want my skin to glow, I want my skin to pop." That glow you're looking for, the only thing that could give you and I that glow that we all sought after is water. Nothing else, nothing more. It's water. And you I would say water. Okay, you go on drinking spree. Yeah, what you just do is you just overwork your kidney. So just need to find smarter ways of making sure that the water we take in does not evaporate. It evaporates through stress, sweating and evaporation. Really, that's why in the morning, your weight in the morning, you can measure yourself. If you have a digital scale, measure your weight in the morning and measure your weight in the evening. You will see that you weigh more in the morning and weigh less in the evening, and the only difference was just water loss from the skin. Okay, so just watch the clip. I did a little experiment on how hyaluronic acid magnet water to the skin, and you will see the glow that we all want, that popping glow. Okay, so just take, I'm going to do a little experiment with hyaluronic acid. I'm sorry, it's not labeled, so I'm going to do a little experiment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put hyaluronic acid serum on one hand, and on the other hand there's not going to be any serum. So let's see what happens. I'm curious. Are you curious? Okay, 1 minute. Okay, this is the hyaluronic acid serum that I'm going to place on these hands. Yeah, this is generous enough. Okay, so I will just rub it in nicely. And yeah, this, so I'll go in with my rose water. So I'll just spray some. Yeah, then I'll spray some on this whole hand too, which is exactly what I am doing. Okay, now let's see something. Are you guys seeing? Are you seeing what's happening? Are you seeing what's going on? There's hyaluronic acid there. There's no hyaluronic acid. You can see how the water is dripping. I'm keeping my two hands against gravity. This is it. You can see this one is dripping, but it's not much. I had to do a lot so that you can see, and see how far this one has. Whoa, to my elbow is going down. I hope you can see this, guys. So this is what hyaluronic acid does. I'm doing this on a test level, so this is where this one has gotten to. This is just here, but look at this. It's still going down. So this is the power of hyaluronic acid. So when you have this sufficiently in your skin, it will keep water locked into your skin, making your skin fresh. So this is just an example. Your face is not going to be this watery. You get it will absorb into your skin and hold the water tightly into your skin, covering fine lines, covering wrinkles, making your skin plump, making your skin healthy, glowing. You can see how do you see this glow? This is the glow I'm talking about. This is glow. You see the light is hitting on my hands, and this, when you talk about glow, this is glow. Look at this, it's all gone. That's, you see, but this is the glow. This is what water does, and the water can't sufficiently do this if the water is not held on your skin. Okay, it's flowing, it's gone, but this one is still there. See, the water is still there. You can see this one is my hair is dry. This hair is dry. This is not dry. This is dry. It's gone. It's totally dry, and it's not up to 2 seconds. It's not up to a minute. It's dry. It's dry. See, guys, it's dry. My hairs are dry, but look at this. It's not dry, and I sprayed it at the same time. You see, please don't mind this. I'm exfoliating this area, so don't mind. I don't want to remove it because I'm using it to advertise, if you want to say so. So I'm using this to advertise. It's a peeling oil I'm using to, I had the sunburn to peel off my hair. So let's focus. This is what we are talking about. This glow, this dry, gone, everything is gone. Hyaluronic acid, it's the truth. It's the truth. So you can take, you should, except you have hypertension issue, you should take hyaluronic acid supplements. They actually supplements out there you can take. So you should take the supplement and you should use it topically. So guys, it's available for sale. It's available for sale, and it's not expensive. Not that expensive though. Expensive. And this too is available. Rose water is also available, and this one is not expensive. This is only 1,000 naira. It's not expensive at all. This should be in your bag at all times to rehydrate your skin and all that. So if before you make up, if you have this on the back of your skin and you spray later in the day, you spray your rose water, it's going to magnet. It's still there. Look at the water, it's still there. This one is dried. This one is still there. You can see the water. So this is going to magnet, this will magnet this water to your skin, making your skin glowy, dewy, supple, beautiful. These two, guys, these two, you can't go wrong with